How to fix incorrect password Instagram on iPhone. Solution 1. Delete VPN. First, open the Setting app. Tap on General. Tap VPN and Device Management. Select the configuration profile, then tap Remove Profile. Solution 2. Turn on and off airplane mode. Open the Setting app. Tap the airplane mode, switch to turn on or off. Solution 3. Update Instagram app. Launch the App Store app on your iPhone. Type Instagram app in the search bar. Tap Instagram. Update your Instagram app. Solution 4. Offload and reinstall Instagram app. Open the Setting app. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find Instagram in the list of apps. Tap Offload app, then confirm. After that, wait for few seconds, then reinstall app. Thanks for watching this video.